Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I just wanted to do this. I've posted 0 to 60 times a couple of times for my car already, and I'm getting fair results, but really nothing really great because I got all-season tires on the car. But I want to show you something about these all-season tires. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, hold on, let me turn the camera around. All right, so here you can see the 20-inch wheel. Nice looking wheel. And there's the all-season tire, and you can see right about there, treadwear 500. This basically tells you the hardness of the rubber, and there it shows you mud and snow all season. And it's a Goodyear tire, really good tire. It's not that it's a bad tire. Goodyear makes good tires. It's just that an all-season tire doesn't get the grip that you need when you have a Whipple. And this tire is only about, I don't know, less than 9 inches in tread width. We got a better tire, and we're going to put them on the car now. Hey everybody, I'm down at Edison Auto here in Fort Myers, Florida. This is a place that I bring my car to every once in a while for service. And today I got a couple of tires that are going to go on the back of the car. They're two 75/35 20s. They're a Pirelli tire, slightly taller, a little bit wider, and a lot softer than the all-season tire that's on the car now. This is not a Mustang tire though. This is a tire that was engineered for a Porsche. So the overall tread width is a little bit more than you usually find on a tire this size, just about 10 inches. So I'm expecting to get some pretty good results from this tire. So we're gonna go inside, we're gonna talk to Dan and talk to him a little bit about this and get these tires on the car. As you can see, this tire is not mounted on the car yet. We still got them bundled, but they're pretty wide. I mean, for a 275/35 20, these things look to be just about 10 inches wide. And with the tread wear of about 220, these are pretty sticky. I think the Michelin tires that come on the PP1 cars are something like 340. So these are significantly softer and stickier than what comes on the performance pack. So maybe we'll get some traction out of this. We'll get them on the car, we'll run some times, and we'll see how it does. So here's a little bit of a better look at it here. Treadwear 220. Like I say, this is a soft tire. It's a 275, I believe. 275/35 20. And this thing's really sticky. It's soft. You can feel it, as you're touching it. But slightly taller than the stock tire. I think this one measures 27.7 inches, and the 265 measures 27.3. So this is a little taller, a little wider, and a lot stickier. So we should be doing a little bit better than what's on the car now. Well, some people are camera shy, so not everybody wants to be on camera when it comes to this kind of stuff. So we're going to let Dan over here take the car, and he's going to give me a call when they get it up on the lift. Hey, what's up, Donnie?
Hey, John.
Pretty good. This is Donnie pulling the car into the lift. This is a really, I got to tell you, I brought many of my cars to the shop, and these guys are excellent. Never have any anxiety about bringing my car to this shop because these guys do a great job. They got great mechanics, and I have a lot of confidence in it. And here you can see how Johnny's got the tires all prepped now. He's got all the labels off of it. He's got all the beads cleaned up nice. And they're just getting ready to pop them on. Nice looking little tire. It's not, I don't expect real big things with these tires combined with the Whipple, but I really can't make a decision on the wheel and tire combo that I want to put on the car. So I'm just basically going to put these on and see what we can get out of it until we figure out what the right thing to do is. Get a really nice wheel and tire combo for the car. That's it. Out with the old and in with the new. Here's a good look at the wimpy brakes that we have on the back of this car. I don't know, this is just one of those kinds of things I was never happy about when it comes to the S550s. The Gen 6 Camaro, they put a 4-piston Brembo brake on the back of the car, and we get this. I don't know what this is. If it's probably single piston, so I don't know. A little bit of a disappointment. Maybe we'll upgrade this at some point. These guys are true professionals down here. They won't scratch the rim, they won't ding it, dent it, or nothing. You'll never know that the tire was removed. Look at this guy work. Yep. My buddy Donnie. Amazing. Trying to break the bead loose?
No, bead's broken and he's slowing.
Oh, okay.
Loop it up also. Make them easier to walk off.
Cool, man. What was that you said, Johnny?
It does have a regular sensor at the end of the stem.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, we'll take a look at that when we get the tire off. I ought to just let it pull in and give it a little bit more slack.
Break it away.
Right.
Trying to break it away from the
Sure. And just like that, she comes off. Very cool. Awesome.
Now comes the fun part.
Easy and breezy. That's it. Pops right in. Nice work, my friend.
One down.
That's right. Here you can see Johnny's getting ready to do a balance on it. He's cleaned up the inside of the wheels with brake clean so the weights will stick and not fall off when you're doing 120 miles an hour. You know, I've had that happen in the past. All of a sudden my car's vibrating and shit. You don't know what it is. You know? Because the weights fell off. Let's see, we got it the first shot. Way to go, guys. And there you have it. You got 275, 35, 20 on the car now. This tire has, let me see, where do I find it? There it is. Treadwear 220. A lot softer and a little bigger diameter and a little bigger tread width. So we shall see if this produces some more traction for us. We got a Whipple on the car, so here again, I don't think that this is really going to be the thing to solve that problem. But this will work for us until we get a good wheel and tire set on the car. You know, if a shop ever tells you that they just zip it with the gun and the torque spec is right, they're lying to you. The only way to do it right is to put a torque wrench on it.
Alright, you drop the car onto the lift, John, and I'll do them all.
Nice work, guys. Here's a good look at the tire. I don't know. The skies are looking pretty threatening right now. It's just starting to rain a little bit. I don't know, man. I really wanted to take the car out and do some 0 to 60s, but it's not looking so good right now. Thanks a lot, Dan. All right, well, this is the kind of luck I have. I go through all the trouble of putting the new tires on the car, and the skies open up and it's raining like crazy. So I'm not going to be able to get the car out and do some 0 to 60 times today. So it's going to have to wait until next time. So I just want to wish everybody a happy holiday, Merry Christmas, and we'll see you around the first of the year. Take care.